Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does Google Photos keep crashing? Firstly, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store, then to the search, and you need to check is Google Photos have the latest software version. Just write Photos, then you will find Google Photos and check and update if you haven't the latest version. Then I recommend it to restart your device. So I used Google Photos with my phone and I should restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, restart your tablet. Then we can also clear the cache, but we can do this only on Android. On iOS, to clear the cache you need to reinstall the app. So you need to press and hold the app, remove, delete, then go to the App Store and install it, and then sign in into your account. And on Android, go to the settings, then apps. So if you see Google Photos here, tap at the application or go to see all, then you can or scroll down and find photos, or you can use the search and write photos here. And go to the storage and cache and clear the cache. Next, maybe the problem is you need to update software version on your phone. It depends how you can find the settings. So on stock Android you need to go to the system, and in the system we have software updates. On the iPhone you need to open settings, then go to the general settings, and in the general settings you will find software update at the top. So check and update if you haven't. Also make sure that you have stable internet connection. Maybe the problem in your internet. Also we can free up space, so you need to open Google Photos application, tap at the profile icon at the right top, and then select free up space on this device and free up. Also, maybe you need to actually reinstall the application. So you can go to the settings. On some Android phones you cannot remove it, but you can delete latest updates. So you need to go to the settings, apps again, you need to find Google Photos, then disable it, clear storage and clear cache, and then you can disable it, or actually you don't need to disable it. Then you go to the Play Store and install updates. So you need to find Google Photos. Now, the last one. If all of these methods didn't help you, maybe you need to actually sign out from Google Photos. So you need to go to the Photos, then click at the profile icon, and then click at the arrow icon near to your account, manage account on this device, and then you need to remove your current account. So click on it and remove account, and then add account back. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.